Hi guys, I hope everyone is absolutely fine. Let's begin with positivity, that everything is fit and fine. Today we continue the videos area of trapezium with the remaining part area of polygon. We have to learn how can we calculate the area of polygon, because till now in mensuration part what you have done, you had formula, you have learned the formula for area of rectangle, square, different formulas for triangle, area of rhombus, even you have done area of trapezium as well. Area of right triangle, that is half into product of its legs. So if this pentagonal field is given to you, how you are going to do how are you going to calculate its area? See, in general there is no formula for pentagonal field. What we need to do? We need to divide this pentagonal field in different figures for which you have formulae with you, and by using those formulae you calculate the area in different sections, and at the last to find the area of this pentagon we add up all those small areas which we are going to calculate. Now here is a pentagonal field ABCDE whose all the dimensions are in meter. If you look at the figure carefully, this point is R, here it is perpendicular, this Q here you have perpendicular, and at P here it is a perpendicular. So you can see overall you have divided it into figure 1, figure 2, 3, 4 and 5. You have divided into 5 2D shapes for which you have formula with you. You have formula of right triangle, area of right triangle, you have formula for area of trapezium. So you can easily calculate the area of these 5 figures, and later on we add up all those 5 areas, and that will be the area of this pentagonal field. Let's begin with the question now. Let's begin with the area of triangle APB. Area of triangle, right triangle APB, that is half into, what is the two legs, 20 and 30. So what you have got? 300 meter square. Now next comes area of trapezium. What is the name of trapezium? Just look fast. PBCR. PBCR. What is the area of trapezium? I told you the formula. Half into sum of parallel sides multiplied by distance between them, or height or perpendicular distance between them. So it is half into sum of parallel sides. The two parallel sides are CR and BP, as they both are falling at 90 degree. The two sides that falls at the same angle are always parallel. So that means 40 and 20. 40 and 20 are the parallel sides. Distance between them 20 is this much RQ and 20 is QP. So total it is 40. It will be half into 60 into 40. That is 1200 meter square. Area of trapezium we have calculated. Now third figure, area of right triangle. Again the triangle is DCR or DRC, whatever you want to write, it will be same. That is, what is the perpendicular? One leg is 30, one is 40, so 30 into 40. That means how much it is? 600 meters square. Now next comes Next comes your area of right triangle again. Triangle DQE. DQE. It is also half into the product of two legs. So first leg is 30 plus 20 because your DQ is total 50. So 50 multiplied by another leg is 30. That is 750 meter square. Now lastly, the area of right triangle EQA. EQA, that is also half into product of its leg. Its one leg is 30 and another leg is 50. Another leg is, because 30 is here, 20 is here, total 50. Again, how much we have received? 750 meter square. Now we have calculated area of all 5 shapes. Now to get the area of pentagonal field is equals to the sum of all these areas. You will write area of triangle APB plus area of triangle trapezium PBCR, then A plus area of triangle DRC, then area of triangle DQE and area of triangle EQA. You will add up all the values. So starting with 300 plus 1200, 1500 plus 600. Let's write 300 plus 1200 plus 600 plus 750 plus 750 in meter square. So total area of this pentagonal field becomes 15, 15, 6, 21. Pentagonal field becomes 3600 meter square. I hope you have understood how you are going to calculate area of irregular shape by dividing it into the figures for which we have formulas known to us. This is the only way to calculate the area of field. Children, another question to calculate the area of the figure given alongside. This is the figure, means this is the field whose area you have to calculate. Now, don't think that it is similar as previous one, you divide it into 5. It is little bit different. Now just look, we have A, B, C, D, E, this pentagonal field, which we have divided as per given sides into first shape, that is a right triangle, second which is a trapezium, and third in the base only one triangle whose base is AD, that is 20 plus 20 plus 10, 50, and whose height is 15. Because the perpendicular dropped on the base AD is EF. Here the perpendicular is BG, whose measurement is 20. So let's begin with first figure. Area of triangle, that is ABG, is equals to half the product of legs. One leg is 20, another is 10. So 20 into 10, that is 100 meter square. Now second comes the area of this trapezium. So area of trapezium, what is the name of trapezium? BGDC. Half the sum of parallel sides, children. What are the parallel sides? This and this. BC parallel to GD. So what is the measurement of GD? That is 20 plus 20, 40. 40 plus 10 multiplied by height is 20. So it becomes half into 40 plus 10, that is 50, multiplied by 20, that is 500 meter square. Now lastly, the area of triangle AED. Area of triangle AED, this you are going to find by the formula half base into height. I have written. So it is equals to half into the base is the entire base, that is 50 into 15. (375 meter square). Now we have to calculate the area of the whole pentagon ABCDE. We will add area of triangle ABG plus area of trapezium BDDC and area of triangle AED. That is going to give you 100 plus 500, that is 600, plus 375, that is overall 975 meter square. So area of pentagon ABCDE is equals to 975 meter square. This is how we have calculated area of polygons. I hope I am clear and you are able to calculate the area of given polygon. Same. You divide the polygon into different 2D shapes for which formulas are known to us. Calculate the area, attempt questions. If you have any doubt, any query, write in comment box. And if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.